we have with us Ruslaan Mumtaz and Hamisha Ahuja. स्वागत है आपका बॉलीवुड फाइव में.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
जी, हमेशा पहले सबसे we would like to know from you कि what made you come up with this very obvious and very unique story, I would say.
Okay, so I live in Nigeria. I'm an Indian living in Nigeria, and over here, the Nigerians in the Nollywood industry love Bollywood. So they've grown up on Amitabh Bachchan, they've grown up on Hema Malini, on Shah Rukh Khan. And so because there's such a love for the Bollywood industry, I thought, why not combine the two? Because Nollywood is also such an amazing industry here. It's so vibrant, it's doing so well. So I just thought, you know what, let's get the two together and see what we get. And we got Namaste Wahala.
Right. रुस्लान, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि हमने देखा है कि आपकी जितनी भी प्रीवियस जो आपका प्रोफाइल्स आए हैं, आपकी मूवी सही है, टीवी पर आपने इतना कुछ काम किया है, बहुत ही पसंद किया गया है आपके चार्म को और लड़कियां बहुत ही अडोर करती हैं आपको. तो आपने इस तरह की स्क्रिप्ट को चूज करने का क्या कुछ वजह था?
Honestly, ये एक ऐसी फिल्म थी कि मुझे पता था कि लाइफ में फिर से कभी ये मौका नहीं मिलेगा. And at some level I didn't want some other actor to do it, क्योंकि फिर बाद में मैं घर पे बैठ के पछताता कि ये किसी और ने कर लिया and now it's looking so good, या जो भी होता था. At that point of time तो हमें पता ही नहीं था कि उसका आउटकम क्या होगा. But on a script level also, जब Hamisha sent me the script, I read it. It was perfect. मतलब और कुछ था ही नहीं. मतलब there were no comments that मैं ये बोल सकता या मैं उसके बारे में सोचने लायक कुछ नहीं था. सिर्फ सोचना ये था कि नॉलीवुड में एक फिल्म बन रही है और आप एक बॉलीवुड के एक्टर हो, तो अगर कोई फिल्म वहां पर बन रही है, वहां के ऑडियंस के लिए बन रही है, तो हाउ डज इट इम्पैक्ट योर करियर, व्हाट डू यू डू इट, यू डोंट डू इट. दैट वाज द ओनली कंसर्न. बट थैंक गॉड, टुडे व्हेन आई सिट बैक एंड आई थिंक कि देयर वाज जस्ट समथिंग, लाइक कहते हैं कि देयर वाज अ हैंड ऑन माय हेड and just told me that just do this movie, don't think about anything, and that's exactly what happened. मैंने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. I wanted to do this film. By the time it happened and whatever today where it is, somewhere it's also, I feel that something inside me just made me say that you have to do this film.
Right. Hamisha, we would like to know from you that in India it is very difficult to accept what would we say कि intercaste marriage हो गया या फिर ऐसे रिलेशन को एक्सेप्ट करना काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है. So what do you think ये कब तक होगा और क्या पर्सपेक्टिव रहा आपका for doing this sort of a film?
So, even though it's hard to accept, and, to be honest, we've depicted it in such a fun, whimsical, romantic way, almost like dreamlike. It's very real. And, I tell a lot of people this. One of my favorite things that's come out of this, the messages that I'm getting, a lot of people are saying they feel seen. So many people are saying, thank you so much for putting it out there and making it, when you put things on screen, you're making it acceptable. And so, despite it not being accepted, I think one of the important lines in the movie that came out in the trailer is, does it matter if she's Indian or Nigerian? Do you think that that will affect your son's happiness? So if you remember that line, and if you watch the movie, let's see if you agree with us.
Obviously, मूवी ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुकी है और इनफैक्ट काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस भी मिल रहा है. वैलेंटाइंस डे को रिलीज हुई है और इनफैक्ट मैं रुस्लान से पूछना चाहूंगी कि कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि शूटिंग विद somebody who is not from Bollywood industry, so कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ ऑन फील्ड शूट करने का and with Hamisha as well?
It was a very fun set. जो मेरी को एक्ट्रेस है इनी, शी वाज वेरी वेरी स्वीट, वेरी वेरी लविंग. उसके बारे में जो भी मेरे ख्याल है बहुत अच्छे ही हैं. आई हैड सम रियली ग्रेट मेमोरीज वर्किंग विद हर. और इस आउटकम को देखकर मुझे गर्व होता है कि आई रियली फील कि व्हेन द बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन टू एक्टर्स, जब म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट होता है तो वो केमिस्ट्री भी स्क्रीन पर आती है. एंड दैट इज द एग्जैक्ट रिलेशनशिप आई हैव विद हर. I always looked up to her with the kind of dedication and the love that she has for the craft. और वो सारा प्यार आंखों में दिखता है. तो it really looks like these two people are in love. It doesn't look like कि एक इंडियन लड़का है, नाइजीरियन लड़की है. ऐसा लगता है कि they are two people, a girl and a boy, and they love each other. And as far as with Hamisha, जो शूटिंग का माहौल था, she's a very different kind of a person. ऐसा कोई मुझे इंसान ही नहीं मिला है. She's different. The kind of the aura that she keeps on the set, it is a different world. And बहुत मजा आया. I'm sure कि जैसा उसने शूट किया है इस फिल्म को, या जैसे उन्होंने इस सेट को रखा, ऐसा बाकी की नॉलीवुड फिल्मों में भी नहीं होता होगा. This is her own approach to cinema, her own approach to the filmmaking process. तो बहुत ही अलग था, and it was a very memorable experience. It was an experience which is meant to be cherished, and when you see the outcome of it, तो तब आपको रियलाइज होता है कि इतनी मेहनत और इतना उस फिल्म को बनाने में इतनी जो पॉजिटिविटी थी, उसका एक आउटकम होता है जो पॉजिटिव ही होता है.
बिल्कुल. हमेशा we would like to know from you कि हमने देखा है कि this is your debut film and you have come up with a very obvious and a very unique concept, we would say, as in the beginning also when I added that. So how was it working with Ruslaan, and how did you came up with this कि आपकी फिल्म में रुस्लान होने चाहिए? How did you got this?
So we both have a very dear friend in common, Rahil Raja. He is a fashion designer in Bollywood. And, he's been with me from day one. I called him up. I said, look, Rahil, I'm doing this movie in Nollywood and I would love you to bring me some Bollywood. And we did meet a few actors, but once he showed me Ruslaan finish, it was done. I said this before, he just had the look, the charm, what I was picturing. As Ruslaan said, I did do things a little bit differently. I just had it in my head. And, once I saw his picture and I saw some of his acting, he was the guy, he was Raj. So, it was literally a no-brainer. And then I sent him the script, we chatted, and it just happened. And thank God, because you can see the beauty on screen. It was very nice working because, I think what happened was Nollywood was super excited Bollywood was coming. And with both Ruslaan and Sujata coming from India, it was new for both sides. So that level of excitement was there. And I think what happened was everybody upped their game. Everybody came and met and was like, you know what, this is a new industry with each other. And you could just see that passion and that magic and then the warmth. Literally, Ruslaan's light, it felt like, he's right, he felt like family. Everyone was laughing and teaching each other all the funny things. Ruslaan, I don't know if you remember the day we were teaching each other galis from Pidgin English to Hindi. So it was a lot of fun.
Ruslaan, we would like to know from you कि हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि ये सेंटेंस ऐड किया जाता है कि if it's meant to be, it will happen. Do you believe in this love theory?
Now this line, when I said it in the film, मुझे तो उसकी अहमियत नहीं पता थी. I thought it's really a film line. But today, where we stand with our movie out on Netflix, worldwide release, it's not only about love, it's just about life, I think. What's meant to happen for you will happen for you. And my perspective on luck, on destiny, all that is just changed with this movie. पहले मैं इन सारी चीजों में विश्वास ही नहीं करता था. I used to really believe that whatever you work for, whatever you work hard on, you get that. But the magic that this film has created, the kind of chemistry that is on screen, इन्हीं एक African लड़की है, एक Indian लड़का, कोई और लड़का भी हो सकता था. But just the way it is just clicked, the way Hamisha has just got everything in place, like she's like a cook and she's just got ingredients and it just turned out to be a magical dish, right? How would you know that while you are cooking it? कि जब end product होगा वो क्या होगा? Her background score, her music, मतलब I can't believe it कि how do you get these perfect things in a movie, Casting तो आप कर सकते हो, पर आपको कैसे पता होगा कि ये जो एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, इंडिया का एक लड़का आ रहा है, ये जो मेरी नाइजीरियन लड़की है, उन दोनों में ये केमिस्ट्री होगी. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? It's just, I don't know, maybe she has a vision that is beyond even what I know about filmmaking, या जो मैं सोच सकता हूँ. She's taken it much ahead of that.
Even we can feel that because Hamisha, this is really very unique and it is being liked by people a lot in Bollywood as well. Even if I would say India की जो जितने भी लोगों ने इसे देखा होगा, they are really liking it. Although I would like to know from you, what apart from this do you have in your mind? What are you coming up with next?
Too much. I can't really say, but we have tons in the works. Very soon, hopefully, we'll be able to announce, but there's lots going on. And I'm just very grateful to everybody because, like Ruslaan said, we were all like a hand of God. Something was overlooking all of us, protecting us. I had no idea this was going to be a global release. And I'm just so grateful because everybody worked so hard. And, sometimes I think when you put something out there that's better for the world, in the sense that for people watching it, I hope they see the messages we have in there. Like you said earlier about accepting into interracial marriages. I try to infiltrate a little bit of what my course is. You know, I teach a course called The Pursuit of Happiness, where we talk about gratitude, we talk about dreaming big. That's also secretly hidden in there. So sometimes maybe something bigger than me wanted that message to spread. Because, you know, with Netflix, the potential of 203 million people can watch this movie, and that's huge. And I'm very overwhelmed and grateful, but it just sets the platform for what's next. So I'm very excited
Yes.
for you guys to see
So
that.
रुस्लान, we would like to know from you कि आपने फिल्मों से शुरुआत की, आप हमें टीवी पे भी नजर आए और अब वेब सीरीज या इस तरह से वेब प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी आप हमें नजर आ रहे हैं. So फ्यूचर में क्या फोकस रहेगा आपका? What are you going to explore more?
Right now, I have no idea. मैं अभी सोच रहा था, few days back, I was thinking that when I debuted, Hamisha, even you should know this. In 2007, I debuted in a movie called MP3. That movie got me so much love, so much fame. और फिर मैं उसके बाद भी काम करता गया. It's not that I haven't worked. I've been constantly working. But इतने सालों के बाद, after almost 14 years, another film has come into my life, which has actually got me the same amount of love. So it took me 14 years to come back to where I started, and those were, in a way, the most beautiful days of my life. So Hamisha, thank you so much that I got this movie, and it's got me to a place where I never imagined. I never thought that I will be part of a movie that will have a worldwide release, will have such a beautiful message. I didn't even know while shooting it. I did not even know. Even when Hamisha told me it's going to have a Netflix worldwide release, I did not know the kind of impact it will have.
Well, you totally
Exactly.
deserve it. Sorry, I just have to add, I get so many messages from the Nigerian audience going, dude, who's this good looking guy? You know, they're all like, I mean, you've become the heartthrob here. So it's very exciting.
I would tell you my personal कि जब मैंने Kidul Love Story देखी थी, I was so amazed by you. I used to adore you so much, and I still do. But that was the movie which I adored a lot for you. So मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि उस जमाने में आप you were a national crush for every woman, I guess. So you have
Let's hope now. Let's hope that now I'm an international crush also.
Oh, of course, no doubt you are. And I'm pretty much sure that Hamisha would try out, has been giving you such a huge platform and such a huge, I would say, जो movie भी आई है, वो बहुत ही अच्छा आपको fan base भी वापस से वो आ रहा है. Hamisha, I would like to know from you, what is your take on acting?
On acting, so I'm in the movie. I think you might have seen. And to be honest, I thoroughly enjoyed it. The little regret I have is I was so busy directing and producing that I wasn't able to give myself that time. So for my next project, I would love to do more of that. And maybe I won't produce, or maybe I won't. I don't know. But I really enjoyed Ruslaan, Your Life for that little time that I had. And I would love to try that some more.
All right. Thank you for joining with us on Bollywood Spy. It was having a lovely conversation with Hamisha, you and Ruslaan. And the movie is gaining a very good response, and we wish you a more luck for future as well. Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye, Hamisha.
Bye, Ruslaan. Bye, Roshni.
Thank you, Purna. Bye, guys.